So, Mojo here. I want to take a minute and talk about programming. Yep, human programming. The can they do with the television. And when I say television, I really mean any mainstream media. Whether you watch it on your phone, your laptop, computer, television screen, whatever, it don't matter. It's all at 60 hertz. All those monitors, they create a magnetic field that affects your energy. It puts you in a lucid, trance-like state that makes your belief system malleable for updates. Yep. We're like biological androids. That's how they program us. It's lockstep with the textbooks and the official narrative. You know, it all remains consistent because it's all controlled. Yep. Meanwhile, everything that we've been led to believe is a lie. Yep. That might sound a little bit crazy, but it's pretty much the truth. Now, I'm not going to go into all the details about that right now. I just want you to understand when you watch something on TV, you might think it's entertaining, but you're being programmed. Yep. The belief systems are being installed. And when you believe a certain way, your actions, your reactions will be consistent with that belief system. So it's very important to control what people believe. Yep. And if anyone goes astray, you get them back into the fold by using the crazy conspiracy theorist weaponized phrase. The new one is fake news, fake news. All you have to do is say that, or it's been debunked. Yeah. I saw it on Snopes. Debunked. That means you just believe. You don't have to look at the evidence. You know it's been debunked. Somebody did it. Yeah. You don't even have to think. You just believe. And then you're back on track. Yep. The word crazy conspiracy theory, a few people might not know this yet, but it was a weaponized word that was pretty much a psychological operation by the CIA to discredit people that were questioning the narrative of the JFK assassination. And it worked great. It still works today. They had to craft fake news to quell the fire started by the old Pizzagate thing. Now that's become a weaponized word right there. Now, weaponized words are very much like hypnotic trigger words. When you say crazy conspiracy theorist, people have an impression already. And they know what to do. They ignore it. They discredit it. And they get mad because you're spreading fake news. We're all gonna get killed. You're being reckless. I'm losing my head. Seriously, I think I'm freaking losing my head here. It came off. Did you see that? I knew that was going to happen someday, and there we go. It seems to have. Oh, no. I'm going to have to be careful if I'm going to make it through the rest of this. But see, I'm crazy, so I can get away with that. Yep. Anyway, so, yeah. If someone starts telling you the truth, they say it's a crazy conspiracy theory. And then you don't You don't give it not even a second thought. You back in line. Yep. Get back in line. Anyway, so the other thing I wanted to talk about is when you're watching a scenario, whether that's a sitcom or a reality show, they present situations to you. All right? They have characters that are meant to be lovable, those that are meant to be hateable, those that are despisable, those you don't trust. They embed that in you so you know, okay, if you want to be lovable, you do what this character does in this situation. If you want to be despised, this is the action you take. This is the reaction. This is what you say and do. Okay? That gets reinforced and reinforced and reinforced. So after you have seen these actions and reactions enough times, you start to believe, okay, well, if I'm confronted with this situation, this is what I'm going to do. All right? It's a program that was just installed. Only you thought you were being entertained. If you repeat the big lie enough, it becomes true. Yep, I read that somewhere. And so, they reinforce it over and over and over and over and over. And most people don't even realize it. No. But that's how you end up in this place you're at now. Yep. With your obedience muzzle strapped on tight, 6 feet away from the people that you know and love. Despite them being healthy, you stay away. Because the man on TV done said so. And it's science. Yep. So you obey without thinking, without checking the math, without checking to see if that science is actual real or if it's just smoke and freaking mirrors. Because trust me, honey, it's all smoke and mirrors. Everything. All the things that you think are the foundations of life, the irrefutable truths, the core of this reality, everything that we've been led to believe is inconsistent with the evidence. I urge you, look into that.